Okay, mag-yoyo to kaya. This is how to make.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yoyo kaya, go.
I am rolling a bread
Introduce
with
yourself.
rolling
First.
pizza.
1, 2, 3, go. I am.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Shane Claire Richardson. And welcome to... What I'm doing now is rolling a bread. This is how to roll. First is get a bread, put it, and put your rolling pin. Roll it up, down, turn around, up, down, up, down. Do it with some force. And then you've got a rolled bread. Voila. Boo, you stink! You suck!
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Melgie Espinosa. I'm showing you how to slice a hot dog.
Guys.
Now you have the sliced hot dog and sliced cheese. Okay, now we have the.
Oh, ikaw na pag-roll at
Yeah. We can roll the bread.
wash your hands.
I already washed them.
Hi. This is my product.
Yeah,
And don't forget Eden and
Breadcrumbs.
fryers and bikini bread.
Bikini bread.
Bikini? What is a bikini? Hi, Claire Richardson. Hi, mommy.
Nananak siya sa YouTube. Nananak siya sa YouTube. Please be ignorant.
Okay, thank you.
My
I can flatten bread. Flat. Just like your face. I imagine that this is your face.
no, that's Mama's face.
Just shut up.
Adalah, tama lang niyang mga ito nakatakain kaya tuon na. Nino,
Pasuhay ko na pasuhay.
tikas na na. Kaya ba